Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to pair your laptop to a Bluetooth device. So in case your Bluetooth is enabled, you'll be able to find the icon, Bluetooth icon, by clicking on this arrow icon right here. And by clicking on a Bluetooth icon, you'll be able to open the Bluetooth settings. But if your Bluetooth is disabled like mine, then go to the Start menu, then open Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices, and first enable Bluetooth by switching the toggle to the right. Right now, select Add Device right here, and select Bluetooth, and then make sure that your device is turned on and discoverable. Unfortunately, I can help you on doing that, since every device has its own settings on how to make them discoverable, how to basically get them into in pairing mode. But you can read the instructions, and instructions always say how to do that. And so once your device is discoverable, you simply have to select it on the list. For example, this is mine, so simply click right here, and this way you connect a device to your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.